Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to get coin from the Geode faucet. This is a temporary app. It will not be up for long. So let's suppose you're here at geochain.com. You got the extension, you click the big plus sign in the extension to make an account, and now you're ready to go get some coin to play with. So we'll go over to the decentralized portal. And your freedom is worth a little bit of patience here. Let it load. This is a decentralized app, so give it just a second to connect. And then when the Faucet app comes up, we're going to start following the instructions. Now, there is an assumption here you've already got the extension and made an account. If you have not, you can do it from here. You can grab the extension at these two links here, and you can make an account in the extension by clicking on the extension and either clicking that plus sign, or there'll be a big plus sign in the middle if you've never made an account before. So once you've got your account, let's see what to do here. So first of all, make sure this setting right here says allow local in-browser account storage and save. This is important because the next thing we're going to do is open the My Accounts section here and load the faucet. So click My Accounts, and then you see this button here, Load Faucet. And I can see my account there that has nothing in it that's waiting for coin. I load the faucet account. So now I see both the faucet and my account that I want to get coin for. So next thing I need to do is share this out, make a tweet, click the button, let people know you're trying out Geode, that you love it. I will spare you me logging in to X here. But after you've done that and you've tweeted it out, you're ready to get going. So click Get Started, and I'm going to check to see if this account is eligible. So I select my account, check eligibility. Good news, I'm eligible. So let's go get some coin. Just click OK and submit. And then just click Sign and Submit. You don't have to do anything else. Look for the magic. There it is. And I can see right up here in the account section that I've got coin. So easy to do. Now I'm ready to go play with the apps. You can have all the apps in the menu right there. Play around, have fun. Check it out at geochain.com. Make sure you tell your friends, and I will see you on chain.